Hi and welcome everyone. Let's create a new layout together. I'll be working with the April kit, the embellishment kit and the color kit. And I also want to use the cardstock kit and the linked heart metal dies. And I have decided to use this pretty striped pattern paper and white cardstock, and I also backed this chipboard piece with my cute picture, and now I want to create a nice background by using the stamp set. We have hexagons here in the kit, in the color kit, and we also find some of these shapes in the embellishments, like in the epoxy stickers, in the chipboard pieces, and this way I can add a lot of different hexagons, and that's what I'm going to do here. See that I use the stamp several times to have a variation of different patterns here, or different places where I have my stamp, and I also use the ink pad included in the color kit, so you can just go ahead by grabbing the kits, and you don't need anything else apart from it. Alright, so this is my stamped background. I also want to have some color sprinkles, and I am working with the ink pads again. Just add a little bit ink to the foil. Oh, sorry, that was my dog. I just add some ink to a foil, and then mix it up with some fresh water, and we get beautiful little color sprinkles and splashes, and that's always a nice addition to your pages, because this way you have different colors, and also the whole page gains more depth and more dimension, because we have different shapes and different backgrounds. Alright, so you see that I decided to flip the page. First I thought I would have my cluster in the right hand corner, but now I want to have it here on the left, and I start embellishing the hexagons, and of course I'm going for one of those beautiful flowers again, and then I made use of the metal dies to have these linked hearts, and I want to cut them apart to have some hearts in different spots. And I really like this metal die set, because you can use them as borders, or you can use them as embellishments for layers, and there are so many different ways you can use those pretty hearts. You see, this time I cut them apart, so no border, but I want to place them on these hexagons, which I cut from one of the pattern papers and from the cardstock kit. And the pale green hexagons are perfect for my hearts, and I want to use embellishments on all the hexagons that I've just added here, and I have to see which embellishments might fit, but in the end it's gonna be a mixture of different textures and different shapes, and yeah. So the big heart cluster here is placed on the bottom of the page, so that I have a little cluster here as well. And now I am working with the puffy stickers to add more details to the paper hexagons. And you see that I am mainly going for all the pastel blue and green tones that I can find in my embellishments. And yeah, the flower, the pink flower, is a nice variation of this color scheme, because this way, yeah, it pops out and is outstanding a bit, which makes it more interesting than I have another color here, and all the rest is just blue and green. Yeah, you see that we also have epoxy hexagons, and I really like the way that the ink is shining through the epoxies. You can't see it here on the video, but in the detail shots at the end. And I also want to have a few wood veneers, and here again I want to add one here to the little cluster on the bottom of the page. And I also want to have different circles. I'm going for 3 different ones, and this way we have wood veneers in different places as well. And you see that I am working with a lot of embellishments, but there is only a little bit of paper here on my layout. Of course, we are going to have the paper stripes at both sides in the end, but the main cluster is made of embellishments and the inked or the stamped background. Okay, so here we have another die cut set, and I just grabbed a paper stripe here for my cluster, and I also added another die cut piece on the top of the page. And now I fix everything, adhere everything, and then I also have to add my title. And I have to admit that I love the alphabet stickers so much. They are included in the main kit, the April main kit, and I love the color. It's such a rich blue, periwinkle looking, and yeah, I really love to use those. And they also have a nice size. They are not too big, not too small, so yeah, I'm really happy about these stickers included in the kit. Okay, so the title is just Cat. The picture was taken in 2013, and we used to live in a suburb before we moved to our house, and the neighbors had a cat, and my son was very happy to see her every day. So this is what I am documenting here. See that I just added some yarn here to have another texture and more dimension, and now a handwritten journaling and the date. And then I can place my cardstock on the pattern paper, and I'm really happy about the end result. And in the end I decided to use this heart chipboard piece as well First of all, I wasn't sure where to put it, but I think it's a nice addition here to my cluster. And that's what my page turned out like in the end. Yeah, if you are interested in subscribing to Hip Kit Club, make sure to check out all the details. You can find all the links here in the description. Here are some detailed pictures. I hope you liked my way of using the kit. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, see you soon. Take care and bye bye.